Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we will learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Sauna dealer businesses. For example, you have a Sauna dealer business in where your customer can explore Sauna models, book consultation and get price quote. Responding each and every customer manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this type of problems, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot. It will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, so that whenever your customer send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then your bot will respond to them automatically. In this video, I'll also teach you how you can store your customer data into your Google Sheet. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect automation, in where we can select the trigger application as the Pabbly Chatflow and the action application as Google Sheet. To get more details about this, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. Before starting the video of how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your Sauna dealer business, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will respond to your customer instantly. In this video, I'll also teach you how you can store your customer data into your Google Sheet. So this is the final look of our flow that we are going to create in this video. At first, I am sending hi message in my WhatsApp business account of Sauna dealer. Hi, or instead of any message you can send. Here I send a message. See, the bot will respond to me automatically. Hi there, I am your Sauna assistant, here to help you relax, unwind and find your dream sauna. What would you like to do today? While providing me 3 different options, that is browse sauna model, get a price quote and book consultation. If I'll click on browse sauna model, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me 3 different types of sauna models, that is outdoor sauna, indoor sauna and infrared sauna. If I'll click on indoor sauna, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me some details of indoor sauna and one button, that is book now. If I'll click on book now, then you can see it will respond to me like this, that please provide your full name. So here I am providing my full name. Here I write it. After that, you can see it will ask me to provide a preferred date for booking consultation. So here I am providing them one date. Here I provide it. After that, you can see it will respond to me like this, that consultation confirmed. Thank you Mehruz Khan for booking a consultation with us, while providing me the appointment date that I have given here and my name. In this video, I'll also teach you how you can store your customer data into your Google Sheet, that is their name and the date they want to book a consultation. Like this, see, Mehruz Khan and the date that I have given here. Now, if I'll click on outdoor sauna, then you can see it will respond to me like this while providing me some details of this outdoor sauna. Now, if I'll click on get price quote, then you can see it will provide me all the pricing details of the sauna that are available in this Sauna dealer business. So basically, this is how your chatbot will work and this is how your bot will respond to your customer instantly. We are going to create this type of WhatsApp chatbot for our Sauna dealer business. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool which helps us to automate our WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Here on the right hand side, you can see 2 options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up option. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. As I am an existing user, so I'll click on sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their user. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I'll go in the Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking access now button. Here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and WhatsApp number added. With the help of this button, you can add multiple WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want to know how to add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. When you click on this, it will provide you 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. WhatsApp Connect might involve scanning a QR code or entering the phone number and verification code. The second one is the Manual Token Connect. When you click on this, it will ask you for Meta Access token that you can generate from your Facebook Meta account for developer. Here you can also add multiple folders, while in this home section you can see the active status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. The second feature is the inbox, in where you can store all the messages of your customer and respond to them by here also. You don't have to open your WhatsApp account again and again. The third one is the contact, in which you can list off your WhatsApp contacts who interacted with your bot, and you can see contact details, create segments, tag user, etc. The fourth one is the team queue, in where you can assign incoming chats to different team members automatically. It will also help you to have a customer support team. The fifth one is the template. It is just like a pre-approved WhatsApp template. These are required for initiating a conversation if the customer has not messaged you first. The sixth one is the broadcast. It is used for sending bulk messages to many users at once, and it is also used for promotion, announcement and updates. The seventh one is the flow, in where you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Flow Builder. The next one is the AI assistant, activity log, settings and get help. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, it will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow Builder, where you can see your total number of flows, your active flows and your inactive flows. Here on the right hand side you can see one button is there, add flow button. With the help of this button you can create a new WhatsApp chatbot. So this is the starting point of your flow, but before this first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot for our Sauna dealer business, so here I am providing a name, here I write it. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and action. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the action you can see different buttons are there. We will use this button in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active inactive button and the another is save button. With the help of this button your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. There are the three ways to start your flow. The one is keyword, the second is regex and the third is choose template. Keywords are the manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. The second one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. The third one is the choose template, in where you can create multiple templates and choose with the help of this button and upload it from here. Basically, templates are used for those type of conversation that was started by your side. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of regex. So here I am entering the regex. Here I write it. With the help of this regex, your bot will respond to the any message of your customer that they were sent to your WhatsApp business account of Sauna dealer. Now I want to write one welcome message for my customer. For that I am taking one media button. It will provide me one message box. I'll drag this box here, select media type as image and upload one image related to my Sauna dealer business. By clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here you can see the image is uploaded successfully. I upload this image here because it sounds impactful and interesting towards my customer. Now I want to write one welcome message for them. For that I am clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write welcome message for my customer. You can also enter caption in this enter caption box. Here I write it. While at the end of this you can see I'll ask my customer that what would you like to do today. So for answering this I am providing them some buttons. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first button as browse Sauna models. The second button I'll write as get a price quote and the third button I'll write as book consultation. Here I write it. After that I'll connect the starting point of my flow to the welcome message I wrote for my customer. By clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Here our flow starting point is connected to our message. Now if my customer wants to browse a Sauna model that are available in my Sauna dealer business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about the types of Sauna models. Here I write it. Again I am providing some buttons for my customer that the types of the Sauna model that are available in my Sauna dealer business. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write my first Sauna model type as outdoor sauna. The second sauna model I'll write as indoor sauna, and the third sauna model I'll write is infrared sauna. Here I write it. After that, if my customer wants to book an outdoor sauna from my sauna dealer business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For that, I'm clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media. Here I'll choose media button because I want to upload one image of my outdoor sauna so that my customer can book. Here I select media type as image and upload one image of outdoor sauna by clicking on this and upload it from my gallery. Here I uploaded. Now I'll provide some details about this outdoor sauna. For that, I'm clicking on this plus add content button. Choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about this outdoor sauna. Here I write it. Also, I am providing them one button, that is book now button, by clicking on this plus add button. It will provide me one enter text box where I can write. Here I write it. Now the second one is the indoor sauna. If my customer wants to know the details about the indoor sauna that I am providing to them, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media. It will provide me one message box where I can select the media type as image and upload one image of indoor sauna from my gallery. Here I uploaded. After that, I want to write some details about this. For that, I am clicking on this plus add content, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about this indoor sauna. Here I write it. Now for this also, I am providing the same button, that is book now button. By clicking on this plus add button, it will provide me one enter text box where I can write book now. Here I write it. The third one is the infrared sauna. If my customer wants to know about the infrared sauna, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, again I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as media. It will provide me one message box where I can select the media type as image and upload one image of infrared sauna. Here I uploaded. After that, I want to write some more details about this infrared sauna. For that, I am clicking on this plus add content button, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write some details about this. Here I write it. For this also, I am providing them one button, that is book now button. Here I write it. Now the second one is the get price quote. If my customer wants to know about the pricing details of the sauna models that are provided by me, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write all pricing details of sauna models. Here I write it. Now the third one is the book consultation. If my customer wants to book a consultation in my sauna dealer business, then they will click on this button. So my bot will respond to them. For this, I am clicking on this action option and take a button as ask a question. It will provide me one question box. I'll drag this box here and writing a question for my customer that please provide your full name. Here I write it. You can also see I'll use this asterisk symbol in this sentence because with the help of this symbol, this message will go to the WhatsApp account of my customer in the bold format. Here I select the contact custom field as full name. I already created this contact custom field before. If you want to know how to create a contact custom field into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. The format I'll select as text. Number of attempt I'll give as 1 and you can also enter validation message in this enter validation message box. I don't want to write, so I am leaving this blank. Now after that, I'll connect the circle which are present in front of book consultation to the message I write here. It is connected. Now the next step is to ask a date from your customer, that on what date they want to book a consultation. For that, I am again taking one ask question button, drag this question box here and writing a question that please provide a preferred date for booking consultation. Here I write it. Now in the select contact custom field, I'll select as date and the format I'll select as date. Number of attempt will be 1 and you can also enter message in this enter message box. Now I am connecting this circle to this message. Here it is connected. Now after that, when my customer will provide me their full name as well as the booking date they want to book a consultation, then I want to store this information in my Google Sheet. So for storing the information into your Google Sheet, you have to take this button, API request button. It will provide you one API request box. You can drag this box here, in where you can see it will ask you for a webhook URL that you can generate from your Pabbly Connect workflow. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflow. Here on the right hand side you can see one button is there. With the help of this button you can create your workflow. If you want a detailed video of how to create a workflow into your Pabbly Connect account, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. Here I already created one workflow before for my Sauna dealer business. Here you can see I'll use the trigger application as Pabbly Chatflow, trigger event as new message received. It will provide you one webhook URL that you have to copy from here and paste it here. See, here I pasted, and in this I'll select as post. You can see the three ways are there, that is parameter, headers and body. In this I am using parameter. In the first I'll select contact custom field as full name that I have asked from my customer. In this key I'll write as full name. Here I write it. The second thing I ask to my customer that please provide a preferred date. So for that I am clicking on this plus add more field, select contact custom field as date, and in this key box I'll write the date. Here I write it. After that you have to click on this button, test button, so that it will send one API request to your Pabbly Connect automation. Here you can see the response I have received, that is full name and date that we were written here. See, when you get this response, that means your workflow is working properly. The action application I'll take as Google Sheet because I want to store my customer data into Google Sheet. Action event I'll take as add new row. Then select the spreadsheet that I have already created before. And here I have done the mapping from our trigger application response. After that you have to click on this button, save button. Now we will get back to our Pabbly Chatflow. After that you have to click on this button, save button. Now you can connect this circle to this. The connection plays a major role. You have to make sure that you can connect each and every node. Now with the help of this API request node, your customer data, that is their full name and the booking consultation date, will be stored into your Google Sheet. After that I want to give one thank you message for my customer. For that I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text plus button. It will provide me one enter message box where I can write my respond message. Here I write it. You can see I'll use this dollar symbol before full name because with the help of this symbol, my bot will respond to my customer by their name. As different customer have different names, so for sending their manual name, we will use this symbol. Here you can see I also provide individual buttons, that is book now button for outdoor sauna, for indoor sauna also, and for infrared sauna. So I am connecting this circle which are present in front of book now to this message because the process of booking consultation would be the same for this button also and for this too. See, here it is connected. Now our flow is completed. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. So basically this is the final look of your flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot for your Sauna dealer business. This bot will automatically respond to your customer, book consultation and provide them all the details of Sauna models that are available in your Sauna dealer business, and also store information of your customer into your Google Sheet like this. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect automation that we have done here. This bot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow. So go and create your Pabbly Chatflow account and start creating your first WhatsApp chatbot for free.